starting here. I think, you know, when you look down at the path, I think it'd be nice if you could actually see what you have, because it's beautiful down there. I mean, we know it's a wall of invasives, but one day it will be. So I think, you know, I would have this be this height. Get rid of your bittersweet nightshade, obviously. This I would bring down, and, you know, I would contain it to just be like this small thing here. So get rid of this whole thing. This is one branch coming out. I would bring this yew down, so because it's blocking the window completely, I'd bring it down this height. And then, and in obviously, and then it gives the chance for the rhododendron to recover, which it will need to do once you hack your way back, just because it's so misshapen. You kind of have to start from scratch here, but these are all great plants. They're very healthy. They don't have any growth on the inside, so you're going to need to do this in stages and let the light get in and get some growth. But then imagine, like, just you're rewinding the clock. You push this in. You come in on all sides. So now we're talking like you have something, I don't know, 5 feet tall and 3 feet wide. I just made that up. And then this whole thing, it will look really horrible because it's been reaching and it's been smushed. So I think it goes back to here, and here. And then hopefully it starts regrowing. I mean, it's very healthy. Like, it's got some growth in here. It's doing okay, but it's so smushed.